Hey everybody, Patrick Hinchy. Now this is a demo for InstantID.info. Now please bear with me. I know you want this to be quick, but I'm telling you it'll be worth your time to just listen to this 5-minute introduction, and I'll tell you exactly what to expect and what you're going to get. Now, if you want to locate any phone, anytime, anywhere, you could do it without installing any software or any app to that phone. And this is how you do it. You've heard me mention this in the TikTok videos and everything else, but I'm going to get much more in depth here. So this way you know exactly what you will be getting. So you enter the telephone number into the InstantID.info search bar. And then you're going to see you go through the search process with the status bars and all that good stuff. And then you're going to be asked to enter your email address. Now people get a little sensitive with their email address because maybe you're doing this and you want it to remain discreet, private, whatever. So just enter any email address you want. Just enter a phony email address, because the email address is only if you should provide that only if you want the reports sent to your email address. You're going to have full access to everything in your InstantID.info dashboard. So there's no need for a regular email address if you don't want it. So you know what I'm trying to say there. If you want to remain private, discreet, just enter any old email address in there. So after that's done, then you're going to be taken to the InstantID.info dashboard, and that's where you're going to see the approximate location of that phone. Now, to get the exact location, all you're going to have to do is click a green button that says Get Accurate Location. Now, this is the best part about InstantID.info, because it offers a service that no other search tool like this has. So when you click on that button, now people always ask me, will the other phone be notified? Is it undetectable? Can they block the number? Can they block the text? How does this, or do they receive any notifications or anything else like that? Now let me tell you this. When you click on that Get Exact Location button, first you don't have to re-enter the telephone number, because InstantID.info saves the telephone number from your initial search when you enter it in the search bar. So once you click that Get Exact Location button, from that point on, you won't see anything. There won't be any notifications. Everything will be undetectable. Everything happens in the background. Every single time a text message is sent, it's also sent from a different telephone number, kind of like, just to safeguard the entire process. So this way, it helps everything remain anonymous, undetectable, and discreet. So when that text message is sent through the InstantID.info system, and also as you hear me say in the videos, you don't use your own phone for this. You don't use your own phone number. You use the InstantID.info system. It has everything you need, the embedded code, the telephone numbers, everything. So when you send the text message to the other phone, it reports back to you that phone's exact GPS location as a push pin on a Google map. You're going to be able to see right down to the, the exact spot it is, to within 3 to 5 feet of, where this phone is. And the great thing about this, as I said, you can also just monitor that phone's movement over a period of time simply by sending more and more text messages. So when it comes down to locating a phone, this is by far the fastest, easiest way to do it. Now, you could also get text messages as well. So when you get into your dashboard, you're going to see the telephone number that was searched on the left and 2 buttons on the right, a blue one that says Get Location and the other one that says Get Texts. The text message button is very, very useful, because if you want to see text messages sent to and from the phone that's in question, or you could also see calls, and you could also see social media activity, all you have to do is click on the green button that says Get Text. You'll be asked to enter your name, first name, last name, and email address. This is absolutely necessary to gain access to the system. So don't worry, everything that you enter remains anonymous. It remains confidential within our system. There's nobody else that's going to be notified of this. So you enter your first name, last name, email address, and then that's when you're taken to the tools and everything else, the access to the text messages that are sent to and from this phone. It really is quite amazing what's available to you as far as finding out who's texting this phone, who are they texting, who are they calling, social media activity. A load of information can be gotten. I know I don't mention this in the videos on TikTok, Instagram, and everything else, but it's all available to you. These are the things that we're constantly adding to this InstantID.info service. So that's what's all available to you. So if they're not answering your text and they're not answering your calls and all this other information you've heard me say in the TikTok video, you can get it using InstantID.info to get their exact location. So now I'm just going to move over to the demo, and you'll see me actually using the real product on a screen. I'll record the screen and explain everything as we go. So thank you very much for your patience. So now let's go to the InstantID.info demo. Hey everyone, okay, here is a quick demo for Instant ID. Now, if you want to get the GPS location of a phone, whether it's the approximate location or the exact location, you could use this service to do it, and I'm going to show you how. You could also get information about text messages using this service. I'll tell you who they're texting, what the text message said, date, timestamp, everything and anything you want to know about the text messages. So this is how we get started. Now, this is the home page, obviously. I'm not going to go through the whole purchase process, which is it costs you $1. So you enter the telephone here, it goes through the search process, and then, at the end, you pay $1, and then you get into your dashboard. That's where I'm going to begin the demo. So now I have everything grayed out on the left. Obviously, I don't want to give away any personal information. And then you can see the date at which I last made any searches. Now, these are the buttons I'm talking about on the left over here. So if I wanted to view, let's just say I'm going to take this number right here. If I wanted to view the GPS location, the approximate, you know what? I want to get back to the GPS. So first, get text. So if you want to see the text, all you have to do is enter your name, first name, last name, and email address. This is the authorization form. So this is necessary for you to fill this out. I'm going to gray out this information, and once you do that, you'll see where it takes you. So I put in my first name, last name, and my email address. Then I'm going to click submit. And then it takes you to this page right here. Now, all these tools will be able to show you additional text message information. I can't show you these things because I can't share that information online. These are private text messages, telephone numbers, contacts, and everything else that I just cannot share. But you can see there are phone number only services where you can just enter the telephone number. These are monitoring tools, how to get deleted text messages, how to monitor a phone without having it or being anywhere near it. All those things can be gotten there. Now, let's get to the GPS. So if I wanted to get the GPS location, say for this bottom number right here, you know what? First, let's do a search. I'm going to gray it out, of course, and then we'll do everything right from the beginning so you can see. So here I entered the telephone number, and I'm going to click on locate. Okay, so I've grayed out all these information here, the personal identifiable information, because obviously I can't let you guys see that. I'm going to click on show location. Now this is going to give me the approximate location of the phone. You can see that. Now, if I want to get the accurate location, I'm going to click on this button right here, get accurate location. It's going to ask me to send a telephone number, and it pre-populates the field with the telephone number that I searched. So I only have to enter the telephone number once. Now, when I send a text message using the InstantID.info system, it's going to come up as the telephone number could be a random telephone number. It will not be your telephone number. It will not be anything at all. When you search a telephone number through InstantID.info, it's completely anonymous. So so the field is pre-populated. I'm going to click on send message. Now this is going to send a text message to the phone I want to locate. And then we just have to wait a few minutes. I'll click on send message. And now it goes back to this. So now we just have to wait. It takes anywhere between, it really depends. It could be 30 seconds. It could be up to 3 minutes. Because really what's happening right now is that it's sending out the text message. It's establishing its location and then reporting it back to the InstantID.info system. So we'll just wait like a minute or 2 or 3. I don't even know. It hasn't even been a minute. So let's click on get accurate location. We can find out where this phone is. Okay, and this is now the phone's accurate location. Now you can see this is a great thing, or you can go back and forth between anonymous and exact, but you get the idea. No, you can send a text message once every 60 minutes with a maximum of 3 texts within 24 hours. This can be adjusted. You can send up to 1 text message every 3 minutes for a period of 24 hours, and then you just have to renew. It's still only $1, but you just have to kind of reset the system. But yeah, so you could effectively find out where this phone has been, where it's going, the timestamps, how long it took from get to point A it took to get from point A to point B, and it's a great thing, if you want to locate a telephone. It also gives you, again, a lot of other information that I just can't show online. So hopefully this has been helpful, and thank you for watching.